Okay, so we're down in Baia. There's a bit of a carnival thing going on. So we've got the 360 happening as well. So experimental on that. Let's hope to get it. That's it. Try and keep it a bit steady. So I've got no idea what the carnival was actually for. So we're all here, loads of kids, all having a lovely time. Yeah, loads of kids here, but we're not zooming in onto any particular kid. We're filming the carnival. Even the kids are getting into it. They're doing well. Let's have a look at a few of the other slopes. Definitely going to be strange seeing what the 360 is doing. I don't know about copyright music. So just have to see how it goes. I don't know why I just did a 360 then, but the camera's doing a 360. Let's see if I can keep it still for a little while. We got the car man there. Alright, I won't get up. Oh look, we've got the Mario dancing. A lot of confetti on the floor. They must be having fun. And of course we've got the bay, the marina. Man's sitting there looking after the Wolford, he's on his phone, tapping his stuff. We've got Batman there. We've got the ambulance looking after everyone. And we've got the civil protective police doing their thing. No one's worried about a few. I've got a few looks, but and yeah, see, no one's worried about a few. I've got a few looks, but I saw I was just entering into the party atmosphere. It's all good.
I mean, it's an event and
no objections at all.
families. So
I mean, it's an event and you know, it's for the family. So of course you're going to be recording kids. what you're going to use it for.
And
Totally legal to record kids. Absolutely groovy. And it shouldn't be a problem. It's other people that make it a problem, that do wrong. Put people's backs up. But you know, just explain.
so let's have a look at this
Look good.
amazing monument.
It's all fine. So let's have a look at this amazing monument.
The temple, first time is in 360. Not that I can get in the middle of it.
The temple.
I have done
first
a
time it's
video.
360. Not that I can get in the middle of it. But I have done a video with the drone inside because I was allowed to fly inside.
Got a bit of a cold, but you know, battle on through. So we'll see what's going on.
Got a bit of a cold, but
Camera
you know,
assistant to
battle
hold
on
on to the
through.
phone. Camera
And
stick.
we'll see what's going on. I'll get my camera assistant to hold on to the phone. Camera stick.